Welcome. In front of me I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I will show you how you can change your icon's shape or icon style, whatever you call it. So the first you have to go for the Play Store, and then you have to tap on the searchable and type icon shape, and we have to get this application X Icon Editor. This one is from Kiki Patel. We have to download this one, and after a few moments we will be able to change style and shape of our icons without installing any external apps like other launchers or something like that. So let's open it. Right now, just wait until it loads. Let's mute this ad and turn it off after a few seconds by tapping on the right upper corner. And there it is. For example, if you want to change icon shape or style from Facebook, just tap on it, and as you can see here, we can change the shape of it. There we get the preview, how it changed. For example, let's go for this one, for this square. And you can also change the color of the background. So we can make something like that. It looks cool. And we have to click tab to remove watermark. And as you can see, right now we have to go for our desktop and add widget from this application. So let's make it. Click hold. Tap to the widgets, then we have to scroll down and find the X Icon Editor. Tap on it, click and hold, then drag it here, and we'll be moved to the application another time. Let's tap on the right upper corner, go for our Facebook, choose another time shape, color. We can go like that, click OK. And as you can see, when you go for the desktop, our icon has changed. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.